Gonna make a quick bike check. If you can believe it, just snowed. Kind of hailed. But FBM Warbird version 3 frame and forks and bottom bracket, seat post. Broke the seat post trying flat whips. Bottom bracket I've had for a year and a month. Same with the forks and everything. They're good. But I got profile front hub and back. Got left hand drive. I got Odyssey Bluebird chain. Animal GLH-R folding tires. 20 by 210. Evo 2s. Got dual lower cables. Don't use linear. It's horrible. Got premium slim PC pedals. I wouldn't get them. This whole side right here, there's no grip at all. I got a profile arm over here, and I got an old fly arm over here. Got some random sprocket. So if you know what that sprocket is, let me know. Got some hardware from the hardware store. Just some random chrome bolts. Got a Hazard Lite in the front with random spokes and nipples. And I got a 7KA in the back. I don't recommend getting chrome at all. I got fit bike seat, stock. I got a Snafu detangler and an Odyssey headset. Got Mutiny Glamroids and an M2 lever, Odyssey Grips and bar ends. Got a Cult Salvation top load. And seems to be it. I mean, I tripled the springs in the back, but I also put grease in there, so it's nice and loud. These are the best street tires. Oh, and I also bent this pedal. Oh, got fly brake pads too, if you can tell. But yeah.